Hello and welcome to this Tech Explorers channel. Today we want to discuss a very important and crucial topic, and that is how to buy connects on Upwork. Now, Upwork is a freelance platform that enables you to bid for jobs, all right? The kind of jobs that you can do. However, there is a need to have what is called connects. Connects are like virtual currencies on Upwork with which you submit proposals, that is, with which you bid for jobs. In other words, without connects, you are not able to bid for jobs on Upwork. All right. Now, when you register newly on Upwork, there are some amount of connect that you will be awarded. All right. For a new user who is able to take their profile and update their profile until this section where my mouse is hovering over, that is your profile completeness, is 100%. All right. As soon as your profile is 100% complete, you will be entitled to about 40 connects or thereabouts. Okay. And these connects are what you will be using to apply for jobs on Upwork. And how do you do that? If you view through this job category on my dashboard here, you would see that each job description here requires an amount of connect, all right, that it would require of you before you can apply. Let's click on this first one that talks about creating content calendar. Now, when you look at this job here, at this section, just under this flag, you would see where it says that this job requires two connects. That is, to send a proposal for this, you require two connects. And presently, I have zero connects available. All right. So I cannot apply for this job except I purchase connects with which I would be able to apply for this job. All right. So that is basically what connects are for. All right. And then how do we get these connects? There are different ways to get connects. One of such ways, like I mentioned, is by registering an Upwork, you're entitled to about 40 connects. Now, if you are consistent on Upwork and you are able to acquire the Rising Talent badge, you will be given an additional 30 connects. Long before now, there was Upwork test history, something of sorts, like an Upwork readiness test. That's what it's called. Now it has been taken away anyway. But before now, if you're able to complete your Upwork readiness test, you will also be awarded another 30 connects. Other ways to acquire connect for yourself without necessarily paying for them is by writing or submitting or bidding with proposals for jobs. Okay, when you write proposals to potential clients, writing proposals simply means going through job like this and then finding the one that you know you can do and then submitting the proposal for the job. Once you bid for the proposal and the client responds to your proposal, you will be awarded 10 connect for that proposal. All right. And that's why it's advisable that you should be intentional when you're writing your proposal. Don't just write proposals because you want to write them. Write proposal with the intention of winning a response. Okay. By the virtue of winning a response from a client, Upwork awards you for gaining that client's attention. So that is another way to actually go about getting connect without necessarily paying for them. All right. So how you want to do that is strictly to your discretion. However, what I will be showing us in this video is exactly how we can purchase connect. And there are various ways to purchase connect. Come with me as I show you some ways. All right. Now, to purchase connect, you first need to head over to the right edge where your profile picture is. Click on that and then you head over to the settings. All right, click on the settings and then you will be required to input your password, okay, to show that it is you who is navigating the space. However, for me, I have already done that. All right, that is why we are presently on this page. Now, when you are here on this page, you head over to these menu options here, okay, and locate where you have connects, membership and connect. That is the first option, okay? You click on that, and then it takes you to where you can purchase Connect. Now, the first section here talks about membership plan. You can actually get Connect by upgrading your membership plan. Presently, my current plan on Upwork is the freelancer basic. Okay, and this is the general plan that every freelancer that registers on Upwork is entitled to. All right, you don't pay for this plan, it is free, and that is why it's called the freelancer basic. However, there are some limits to the feature on Upwork that you would have access to because you are not paying for those features. However, if you want to experience or enjoy those features, you will need to upgrade to another plan, which is a paid plan. Okay, now when you upgrade to that paid plan, you would not only be entitled to those features, but you would also get some connect awarded to you. So it's more like you are using a stone to kill two birds. You are buying connect, and at the same time, you are upgrading to a paid membership version. Now, one of the features that you get to enjoy when you upgrade your plan is the ability to be able to see what other freelancers are bidding for a particular job. All right. In a few videos from now, a few seconds from now, we'll be seeing exactly how that can be done. But other ways you can buy Connect is simply to head over to this second option here. As you can see, my available Connect here is 0. Okay, I don't have a Connect, and that is why I cannot apply for a job. So if I want to apply for a job, I need to buy some Connect. And to buy some Connect, I can simply click on Buy Connect. Once you click on that, you will get options brought to your view. Okay, right here, you have select the amount to buy, and a click on this will give you a drop down. So you have options to choose from. 10 Connect goes for $1.50. All right, 20 Connect goes for $3. 40 Connect goes for $6, and all the way down to 300 Connect, and that goes for $45. However, there is something I love to do that I also like to share. You may buy into the idea and you may decide not to accept it. But what I personally do is when I want to buy Connect, I go for an upgrade of membership plan, because when you upgrade to your paid membership plan, you are entitled to 80 connects. Okay, and 80 connects here simply goes for $12. However, to upgrade to a paid membership plan, that requires you to pay roughly about $15, and that is simply just about $3 difference. So I rather want to upgrade to a paid membership plan so that I can both get the 80 connects and at the same time enjoy the paid membership features. All right, so rather than just going ahead to pay for 80 connects right here, I would rather go over back a page. Okay, I go back a page, and then I simply click on view or edit membership plan. All right, so right here is the plus plan, which is a paid plan, and you can see the different features that you are entitled to when you upgrade to this paid plan. And here, right here, the paid plan is simply just for $14.99 per month. Okay, that is roughly $15. And these are the features that you'll be entitled to. You'll be able to view your competitors' bid for any job, be able to extend reports and functionalities, including grouping and sorting. Okay, you'll be entitled to that. You'll be entitled to settings that can keep your earnings confidential. If you want to hide your earnings, how much you have earned on Upwork, you want to keep it private. You don't want your clients to see it or anybody that views your profile to see it. This is a feature that allows you to do that. You can also customize your profile, because if you head over to your profile URL, and that is something around here. If you click on your profile URL is what you'll be seeing here. So when I open my profile, you would see this URL right here where my mouse is hovering over. That is my profile URL. You can see that at the end of this profile URL, there are just some scattered alphanumeric numbers, okay, and also some symbols. However, if I want to customize this URL such that this last part bears a name, probably my name, then this is a feature that allows for that, to customize your profile URL. All right. And lastly, your profile will never be set to hidden. due to inactivity. This is basically another alternative for those whose profile has been set to private. As soon as you upgrade your membership plan, it will automatically be turned to a public view. So right now, I just want to simply upgrade my plan. And once I upgrade my plan, I would be able to get 80 Connect and then access the membership plan, okay, the paid membership features. Now I click on upgrade to plus. And as you can see, as soon as I upgrade to plus, I'll be told to review my upgrade. Now, if you have a promo code that was awarded to you by Upwork for any reason, you can always put in that code here and apply it. That would further reduce the amount that you are going to buy this particular upgrade. Okay, if not, just go ahead and scroll further down to make your purchase. Now if you read what is written right here, you come to understand why I am getting 76 connect rather than 80 connect as proposed. Okay, remember I am supposed to be entitled to 80 connect after my upgrade, but as it is here, I have exceeded my bidding my bidding cycle. Okay, it says your billing cycle will reset today when you upgrade because you are already part way. Okay, part way through your previous billing cycle. The connect you receive today will be prorated. Now, what this actually means is that Upwork has a billing cycle for every freelancer, particularly based on when you subscribed, okay, for a previous paid plan or when you registered newly on Upwork, your billing cycle starts. Now, what the billing cycles help Upwork to do is that it helps Upwork award you your monthly connect. I forgot to mention that every month you are entitled to 10 connects from Upwork free of charge. And that 10 connect is to enable you to apply for jobs so that you can always remain active on Upwork. All right. So when your billing cycle elapses, for instance, if your billing cycle starts from January the 1st and ends on January the 31st, the next billing cycle will start from February the 1st, okay, to end on the last day of February, okay, or some days into March. Now, that is what the billing cycle is. It's like an interval of 1 month. Every month, your billing cycle is taken note of. Now, if your billing cycle has already gone way past and you're trying to, like I'm trying to do right now, my billing cycle has gone way past. I will show us that very quickly. It has gone way past a little bit, and that is why it's almost like Upwork is charging me for Connect for this particular service. So let's see exactly what I mean by the billing cycle. But before then, let's activate this plan and go ahead to show us what the billing cycle is. So I click on Activate Freelancer Plus. But before I do that, I want to explain exactly how you will be charged. Okay, there are two ways that you can be charged. If you have some money in your available balance, that is your Upwork escrow available balance. If you have some money there that can cater for this upgrade, Upwork would automatically consider that as the first option. Okay, so the the fee for your upgrade will be deducted from that plan. But if the fee there or the amount in that available balance is not enough to cater for this upgrade that you are requesting from, then Upwork would automatically charge your card. If there is a card that you have attached, okay, if there's a card that you have attached as your primary payment method, Upwork would rather go charge that card for this particular upgrade. But in my case, I have enough on my available balance, okay? And in another video, I'll be showing us exactly how to go about to check all this available balance and then probably impute our card details, okay? So because I have enough of my available balance, once I click on Activate Freelancer Plus, it would automatically require that I choose my Upwork billing. You see that I have about $230 in my Upwork account, and I don't have any payment card. So I'll just click on this and then I click on Pay Now, and that does it. But if I want to use the other method, I'll click on Payments, okay, with card, and then I input my card details. And once I have done that, it will automatically pick up the payment and then grant me the upgrade. but I won't be using the card option. I'd rather go with the second option and then click on pay now. Once I pay now, it would take me right into the paid plan of an Upwork freelancer. All right. So you can see your membership is updated and your upgrade are effective immediately. Now, if you scroll down this page, you would see your current billing cycle. Okay. So right now, as of today, when I'm shooting this video, it is the January 20th, 2023, and you can see that the next billing cycle will be from February the 20th because this billing cycle will end on February 19th, 2023. So that is exactly what billing cycle is. And if I am unable to renew this payment, because this is a monthly billing for $14.99, if for any reason Upwork tries to renew this payment by simply deducting money from my available balance and it is discovered that I do not have enough on my available balance, Upwork will automatically take me back to the freelancer basic, okay? The freelancer basic. However, I will be entitled to 10 Connect to encourage me to remain active on Upwork. So we have basically shown us exactly how to buy Connect on Upwork. I hope this video was helpful to you. Always stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed, please do so. Like this video if it's helpful so that other freelancers can also have access to it, and then see you in another video. Thank you.